I'm Dr. Melissa here at Life Chiropractic, and this is Andy, and she wants to share her experience.
Hi, I came in with a terrible neck pain and migraines that were happening at least 3 or 4 times a week, feeling really dizzy and out of it. And since coming to Dr. Melissa, my neck pain is gone, and I haven't had one migraine since coming to see her. And my whole body just feels a lot more aligned. I have a lot more energy, and it's really a very healing place to come.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Both arms up, push towards me, and relax your arms. Turn your head to the right, turn your head to the left. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.